Today I'll be reviewing AutoDNA, a platform that provides vehicle history reports, often used by those buying or selling used cars. AutoDNA is designed to give you essential insights about a car's past, helping you make informed decisions. The website is easy to navigate and offers a quick search for any vehicle. To use it, simply enter the car's VIN number, and within seconds you get a detailed report with essential data, such as accident history, mileage, ownership records, and more. One of the standout features of AutoDNA is its extensive database, which sources information from a wide range of global records. This gives you a thorough understanding of the car's background, including any potential red flags like previous accidents or title issues. The site also offers a multilingual interface, making it accessible to users around the world, which is a great feature if you're buying or selling internationally. However, it's important to note that while AutoDNA covers a wide variety of countries and vehicle makes, the information can sometimes be incomplete. Some users report missing details or outdated data, which can be frustrating when trying to verify a vehicle's history. Additionally, the service is not free, and the cost can add up, especially if you need multiple reports. Many useful links you can find in the description. Despite these issues, AutoDNA remains a valuable tool, especially for anyone looking to avoid scams or hidden issues with used vehicles. The site also provides various payment options and packages, giving you flexibility in how you use the service. One downside, however, is that the pricing isn't very transparent up front, and you might have to dig around to find the best deal. In terms of user experience, AutoDNA is fairly straightforward. After entering the VIN, you're taken to a results page where you can review the car's history. The layout is clean and easy to understand, with key information highlighted for quick reference. The only real downside here is that the report can be overwhelming due to the amount of detail provided, especially if you're not familiar with reading vehicle history reports. All in all, AutoDNA is a useful service that can save you time and money by providing detailed insights into a vehicle's past. However, it's not perfect. While it offers valuable information, there are some gaps, and the pricing structure can be confusing. Still, if you're serious about buying a used car, it's worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up.